Today we will be discussing how to use Root Stimulator on your newly transplanted plants. First, you will need a bottle of Root Stimulator, a Fertilome measuring cup to measure out 3.5 tablespoons of Root Stimulator, and a 1-gallon container for watering in the fertilizer. First, measure 3.5 tablespoons of Root Stimulator concentrate. Then mix in the 3.5 tablespoons of Root Stimulator concentrate to 1 gallon of water. Stir solution to make your 1 gallon of Root Stimulator for your newly transplanted plants. Root Stimulator helps reduce transplant shock and promotes greener, more vigorous plants. Use every time you plant trees, shrubs, roses, annuals, and perennials to stimulate early root formation and stronger root development. Root Stimulator helps protect your new plant investment in your yard. Be sure to pick some up today at Green Thumb Nursery.